Well, hello, internet dwellers. I thought I'd film the unboxing of a new computer I got built for myself. I bought this about, I don't know, 6 months ago. I think it's an AMD 5600G. Excuse my allergies. Need to try and get through this though. So I thought I'd unbox it with you. May edit this, I don't know. I don't know if this flip is, showing or whatnot for my address and stuff, so. But let's see what's in the box. Just a little information. I went to school for the computer field. I graduated with honors. I'm not bragging, I'm just telling the internet so they know that I somewhat know what I'm doing. Of course, I'm not perfect. Nobody's perfect, so we're doing about 20-something years now. So let's see what's inside here. Spring has sprung. Now, I bought parts I normally don't buy. I usually buy like EVGA power supplies, EVGA video cards, Asus motherboards, things like that, And I think when I picked up this computer, it was an early Saturday morning. About 6 months ago, and I didn't have my coffee yet. I was half asleep, so I thought, hey, let's do something different. Let's pick out random parts I never usually use and give them a try, because I always stick to the same parts all the time. So I figured it's a computer for me, it's not for a customer, so if something happens, I'm the only one that has to deal with it. So I don't remember what I picked out. So we got a I gotta figure out how to do this. Let me put the box off to the side here. So I chose a 500 gigabyte Western Digital Black NVMe gaming SSD. 30 megabytes a second. That would be read. So I think that was on sale. I haven't tried the WD Blacks. I have the Samsung Evo Plus. I have the Intel NVMe's, and I have PNY. So we'll see how that works. See if that's in the camera shot. I didn't hook up a monitor. I couldn't find my mini HDMI cable. So, ooh, not a lot of light. There's that. Sorry, I don't have any mic on either. So between my allergies and no mic, we'll get through this. See what else we have in this box. We have T-Create memory. Excuse me about my allergies. DDR4 desktop memory. 16 gigabytes of 3200 megahertz. Excuse the traffic noise. I was going to do this in the evening, but I have to get this done, so it's springtime, so everybody's out and about. The neighbors are out and about. So I've never used this memory before. I think it was cheap. This was all bought from Newegg, by the way. Everything was on sale, I think. So probably not a lot of light, but that's it. We have for motherboard I chose an ASRock Pro B550M Pro 4. So I haven't used ASRock in a while. I think the last time I used ASRock was 2011. So they're hit and miss with me. One ASRock motherboard I had was the best computer I ever had, and then there was another ASRock motherboard I had that was finicky. But you'll find that with all manufacturers. So so hopefully everything fits here. I may have got the wrong motherboard. I think I was thinking I was buying the Ryzen 3. We'll see. This this says it's compatible with the 3200G, 3400G. Oh, not compatible. Okay, not compatible. I see. Well, we'll find out if the socket fits. I haven't built AMD in a while. I switched back to Intel back in, I think, 2016 because I was having so many memory issues with the old AMD processors. So I want to give it a try again because I do like AMD. So, and we have the 5000 series. Oh yeah, probably should give you a. Oh, there's a kind of a look at the board there, and we have the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G, and yeah, pretty much speaks for itself. I haven't tried it yet, so I tried any Ryzen CPUs yet. I waited, stayed away from the first and second gen because people are having issues with them. Let's see what else we have. I'll take these things out of the boxes too, so we can get a closer look when I go to build. And this is the. I'm trying to show my address here too much. Not that I really have anything anybody would want, but you know, people know what it is. Now this was just I think a $25 keyboard. And it's just a oh, I think it's the wrong one. That stinks. It looks like it's. Let me open this up. It really took me a while to find keyboard mouse I wanted. It would match my case. Let me open this up. This is just a cheapy thing, like I said, but I tried to go the extra to match the case that I picked up. Okay, there it is. Good. Yeah. You can already. This is kind of a giveaway. What color the case is going to be. Well, maybe not. It's got several different colors, but we got the something different I don't usually buy. White and pink. Oh, grade A quartz. So that's the keyboard and mouse. They were only $25, so. There's that. Oh, one other thing I forgot. I'll be right back. I need to go grab something. Mr. Dusty power supply here. I decided to go with a 550 watt gold power supply. This is fully modular, I believe. I think I paid $70 for it. It's like a really good deal. I was going to reuse a power supply I had, but I saw this on Newegg and I'm like, well, I'm buying everything else brand new, so why don't I just buy a new power supply? And I really trust EVGAs. I really don't have any problems with them, so I'll be using that. No video card in this computer. Right now they're kind of expensive, so I can get by with that one. But anyway, I think I'm going to cut it here. Oh, one thing I didn't show you was the case, did I? Well, alright. Well, if I have to cut it, I'll cut it. See if we can move some stuff out of the way and get a shot of the case here. I'm not going to play around with the camera, so I have to make do. This is an i4 game. We even get this in a shot. Not really, huh? Move this light over. Yeah. OMG. So. too big. Alright. You guys don't really need to see the box anyway. I will pull it out and see if I can zoom the camera back. I got this idea, if anybody's watched Big Clive on YouTube. He has that pink calculator. He likes pink things. And I was thinking of a computer build. I'm like, what can I do different? And, you know, it always seems like white cases or black cases. Get this off of here. So this is going to be my new case. I can back all this stuff off here a little bit. How's this price going to go? I'll have to get I'll get a still shot for it. There's a camera. I really don't know how to place it with the camera to get the back further. There's the side, but here's the front of it.